Healthcare is one of the fastest-growing sectors in Kenya, and many private clinics in rural areas are working hard to improve the quality of services they offer to patients. Across villages, market centers, and small towns, clinic owners are looking for ways to provide better diagnosis, treatment, maternity care, and laboratory services. However, one major challenge continues to slow down their growth. Medical equipment is expensive. Purchasing machines such as ultrasound scanners, laboratory analyzers, patient monitors, digital X-ray systems, and dental equipment often requires a large amount of capital that many rural clinics simply do not have. This challenge has created an excellent business opportunity for entrepreneurs who are willing to invest in medical equipment leasing. Instead of selling equipment directly to clinics, a leasing company purchases the equipment and allows healthcare facilities to use it in exchange for monthly payments over an agreed period. This arrangement benefits both parties. Clinics gain access to modern medical technology without paying the full purchase price upfront, while the leasing business earns consistent income over several years. The healthcare industry in Kenya has changed significantly over the past several years. More people are seeking quality healthcare services closer to where they live. County governments continue to improve healthcare infrastructure, while private investors are opening clinics, maternity centers, diagnostic facilities, and small hospitals in rural areas. As competition increases among healthcare providers, clinic owners understand that modern equipment can help them attract more patients and generate higher revenues. Unfortunately, many of these facilities cannot afford the large upfront investment required to purchase advanced medical machines. Leasing provides a practical solution. A medical equipment leasing business starts with understanding the healthcare needs of your target market. Rural clinics often require equipment that helps them generate daily income. For example, an ultrasound machine allows a clinic to provide pregnancy scans and other diagnostic services. A laboratory analyzer helps perform blood tests and other examinations that would otherwise require patients to travel long distances. Patient monitors improve healthcare outcomes and increase the clinic's ability to manage more serious medical cases. Because these machines directly contribute to clinic revenues, healthcare providers are often willing to pay monthly leasing fees. One of the biggest advantages of this business is recurring income. Unlike many businesses where a sale happens only once, leasing generates monthly cash flow. For example, if a leasing company purchases an ultrasound machine for 1,500,000 Kenya shillings and leases it to a clinic for 55,000 Kenya shillings per month over 4 years, the total revenue received can exceed 2,600,000 Kenya shillings. After accounting for maintenance, insurance, and operating costs, the business can still generate attractive profits. As more equipment is leased to additional clinics, monthly income becomes more stable and predictable. Choosing the right equipment is one of the most important decisions in this business. Entrepreneurs should focus on machines that are in high demand and have a strong income-generating potential for clinics. Ultrasound machines are among the most popular options because maternity and diagnostic services continue to grow throughout Kenya. Laboratory equipment such as hematology analyzers and biochemistry analyzers are also attractive because testing services are essential in modern healthcare. Digital X-ray systems, dental chairs, infant warmers, operating theater equipment, and patient monitoring systems can also provide excellent opportunities depending on the needs of the local healthcare market. Before investing in equipment, it is important to conduct market research. Visit private clinics, maternity centers, diagnostic facilities, and small hospitals within your target counties. Speak directly with clinic owners and administrators. Ask about the equipment they currently use, the services they would like to introduce, and the challenges they face when trying to acquire new machines. These conversations can help identify equipment that has the strongest leasing potential. Entrepreneurs who understand customer needs before purchasing equipment reduce the risk of investing in assets that remain unused. Business registration is another important step. A professional medical equipment leasing company should operate as a legally registered business. Registering a limited company helps build trust with healthcare providers, suppliers, and financial institutions. It also provides a professional image that is essential when dealing with expensive medical equipment. Business owners should ensure compliance with tax requirements and maintain proper financial records from the beginning. Financing is often the largest challenge when starting a leasing business. Medical equipment can be expensive, and purchasing several machines requires significant capital. Some entrepreneurs use personal savings, while others seek funding from banks, investors, savings groups, or strategic business partners. Starting small is often a wise approach. Instead of purchasing many machines at once, a new leasing company can begin with one or two high-demand assets and expand gradually as lease income increases. Building relationships with reliable suppliers is critical. The quality of equipment directly affects customer satisfaction and long-term profitability. Equipment should come from reputable manufacturers or authorized distributors who provide warranties, technical support, spare parts availability, and maintenance services. Poor quality equipment can result in frequent breakdowns, dissatisfied clients, and expensive repairs. In healthcare, reliability is especially important because equipment failures can affect patient care. Maintenance should be treated as a major component of the business model rather than an afterthought. Clinics expect equipment to function properly at all times. Leasing companies that provide preventive maintenance, regular inspections, technical support, and fast repair services often enjoy stronger customer loyalty. Many successful leasing businesses include maintenance costs within their leasing packages, creating additional value for clients while protecting the condition of the equipment. Insurance is equally important. Medical equipment represents a significant investment and may be exposed to risks such as theft, fire, accidental damage, power surges, or transportation incidents. Proper insurance coverage helps protect the business against unexpected financial losses. Entrepreneurs should work with insurance providers who understand the healthcare industry and can recommend suitable policies for medical assets. Lease agreements must be carefully prepared. A strong contract should clearly define payment schedules, maintenance responsibilities, insurance requirements, lease duration, ownership conditions, penalties for late payments, and procedures for equipment return or purchase. Legal advice is highly recommended because well-written agreements help prevent disputes and protect both the leasing company and the healthcare facility. Marketing plays a vital role in business growth. Many clinic owners may not be familiar with leasing options or may assume that modern medical equipment is beyond their financial reach. Educational marketing can help overcome these concerns. Business owners should explain how leasing works, the financial benefits of preserving cash flow, and the revenue opportunities created by advanced medical equipment. Case studies, demonstrations, and success stories can be powerful tools for building confidence among potential clients. A professional website can also generate valuable leads. Publishing useful articles about healthcare equipment, clinic management, diagnostic services, and financing solutions helps attract clinic owners who are researching ways to improve their facilities. Search engine optimization can increase visibility and bring potential customers to the business over time. Social media platforms and professional networking channels can further expand market reach. Partnerships can accelerate growth significantly. Equipment suppliers often encounter potential customers who cannot afford immediate purchases. By partnering with suppliers, leasing companies can become the financing solution for these customers. Healthcare consultants, architects involved in clinic construction projects, medical training institutions, and healthcare investors can also become valuable referral partners. One attractive aspect of this business is its contribution to community development. By helping clinics access modern equipment, leasing companies indirectly improve healthcare quality for thousands of people. Rural patients gain access to diagnostic and treatment services closer to their homes. Clinics become more competitive and financially sustainable. Healthcare professionals gain access to better tools for patient care. The business therefore creates both financial and social value. However, entrepreneurs should also understand the risks involved. Payment defaults can affect cash flow. Equipment may become outdated as technology evolves. Import costs can fluctuate due to currency changes and global supply chain challenges. Maintenance expenses may occasionally exceed expectations. Proper planning, credit assessment procedures, insurance coverage, and diversification across multiple clients can help reduce these risks. County-level expansion offers significant opportunities for growth. Counties such as Kisii, Nyamira, Kakamega, Nakuru, Uasin Gishu, Meru, Embu, Kericho, Machakos, and Kilifi continue to experience healthcare sector growth. Population increases, urbanization, rising healthcare awareness, and private investment are creating demand for modern medical services. Leasing businesses that establish strong relationships with healthcare providers in these regions can build substantial customer portfolios over time. Technology is also transforming the industry. Portable diagnostic equipment is becoming more affordable and accessible. Digital record systems are improving healthcare operations. Telemedicine services are expanding. Entrepreneurs who stay informed about emerging technologies will be better positioned to identify future leasing opportunities. Equipment that helps clinics improve efficiency, reduce patient waiting times, and increase service quality is likely to remain in high demand. As the business grows, diversification can create additional revenue streams. Some leasing companies expand into equipment maintenance contracts, operator training programs, equipment upgrades, consultancy services, and healthcare technology advisory services. These complementary offerings strengthen customer relationships and increase overall profitability. Success in medical equipment leasing requires patience, professionalism, and a long-term perspective. Building trust within the healthcare sector takes time. Healthcare providers want reliable partners who understand their operational challenges and support their growth objectives. Entrepreneurs who focus on quality equipment, excellent customer service, strong maintenance support, and transparent business practices can establish a strong reputation and achieve sustainable growth. The future of medical equipment leasing in rural Kenya remains promising. Healthcare demand continues to increase, private clinics continue to expand, and access to capital remains a challenge for many facilities. Leasing bridges this gap by providing a practical path to modernization without requiring large upfront investments. For entrepreneurs seeking a business that combines recurring income, long-term growth potential, and meaningful social impact, medical equipment leasing offers an opportunity that is both profitable and valuable to communities across Kenya. With careful planning, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to quality service, this business can become a successful enterprise while helping transform healthcare access in rural regions for many years to come. /span/p/body